Hello, student.
Hello, Master.
So, what question do you have today?
Master, I read about an infinite intelligence in a book,
Okay,
and I'm actually very curious to know about that. Can you please explain?
okay. I call it as a Shivoham theory. Okay. In this, we know that we are all a part of the infinite energy. Okay. There is an energy which is the supreme form of energy in this world. Okay. Vaishnavites call it as the Lord Vishnu. Shaivites call it as Lord Shiva. And if you see in books, especially the Western books, they use the term infinite intelligence. So, all these are the names of the same energy which has created us, which is guiding us, which is protecting us, and it is the most supreme form of energy. Okay. Now, how to connect with this energy? When you're reading a book on infinite intelligence, the point that has to be considered is that we all know that there is some form of energy which is the supreme, but how can I connect with it? Okay. Now, have you got this doubt? How can you connect with that infinite energy?
Yes, Master.
Yes. Okay. So, I will teach you how to connect with it. The foremost negative thing or negative quality of a human is what? Or which quality ruins a human, or which you should never have? Which qualities are those?
Is selfishness,
Okay, more. There is one more.
greedy. We
No, it's ego. Ego is the most disruptive quality which any human can possess. Okay, and this ego has to be broken in order to reach the infinite intelligence. The first step to reach God or the infinite intelligence is break your ego. You are a child of the Father or the Shiva or Vishnu or the infinite intelligence or the supreme form of energy. He is superior to you. When you accept this fact that I am near a skit of him or her, because some people believe it's a feminine energy. When you break this ego, you are on the path to devotion. When you get devoted to this particular energy, and when you connect with the infinite mind, there is nothing which is left unanswered when you ask the infinite intelligence. Okay. And the meditation is the easiest way to access this energy. To understand this better, this is like a worldwide satellite Wi-Fi which provides internet services to all devices, right? Now, if you want to connect to this infinite energy, what you have to do is meditate. When you meditate, you're activating the seven chakras, you're activating your brain's energy, and you're giving your mind complete calmness so that it can go beyond your physical world. Okay. When you meditate, your brain receives the waves from the infinite energy. And I have read about many great scientists, many great people who have accessed this energy through meditation, through self disciplined approaches, and they have achieved a lot in their lives. So, if you want to access this infinite energy, what is the first step? What should you do? You have to meditate. When you meditate and break your ego and you call upon the God, He is there to answer all your queries. He is there to solve your problems. And there is nothing in this world which the God does not know or He cannot tell you. So, the first step to reach the state of infinite intelligence is break your ego and build a bridge between you and God. And I use the term, and I always believe that aham shivoham. That means I am Shiva. Shiva is me, I am Shiva. We are not apart. And when I have any problem, I immediately access the knowledge of Shiva, and then he has always guided me throughout my life, and he will be guiding me. So, the term infinite intelligence is used as Aham Shivam for me, and many people use different names for it, but the energy is still the same. So, I hope you access this energy soon and become a great human. Thank you.
Yes, Master. Thank you so much.